Update. All right. Cage is done. Looking good. Trying my best at the welds. I hope I did pretty good. This is perfect to my elbow to my shoulder. Got to put that on. What else? What else? Front end, still not working. So, I want this thing to be one piece and lift off. So first things first, I need to figure out how to keep this fastened together a lot better. What I'm gonna do, I see I did one. I decided to get some aluminum rivets. What I'm going to do is put those in right here. And I'm gonna put a bunch along the sides so it holds a little sturdy. I used aluminum so it doesn't crack the fiberglass. And from there, I'll figure out a solution to lift it up. But so that's the project for now. Got a little bit of mesh for that, so it does not turn into that. All right, off to work we go. All right, one body panel, pretty straight. And then, so what I'm kind of thinking about doing, I don't know if this will translate into anything, is, but drill holes in the fender, use rivet nuts, but set it to where the rivet nuts fall into here, and like say there or somewhere. And what I really want to do is just get like 2 straps or something sturdy that I can like bring with me that fold up or whatever to the track. And if I've got to remove that, just pop 2 bolts in them, boom, boom, hit that strap, and then 2 people lift it up and off so it stays kind of stable. All right, it is pretty solid. I'm pretty happy with it. It's one piece, lines up okay. All right, it is on. That I just have to remove every time. It's easy, just wrap it off, wrap it back on, no worries. Everything else clears, so we'll get this bad boy mounted. So this is how I'm doing it without spending 80 bucks on our tool or getting a crappy one from Harbor Freight. So what I'm doing is, you've got the nut, the bolts, then you've got this little thing, whatever you want to call that. Set that in there like that. Then you have this sitting in the hole. Run them through, where this barely sticks out a little bit. From there, what you're gonna do is, I'm just gonna use these pliers for example. Find something like that. And then you just start slowly tightening down. On that nut. And eventually this is gonna catch onto what something. And it'll hold still, and then you'll start to see it press against that deal. So, you know, maybe for like the 12 that I put in, it'd be easy, but you know, I don't know if I try to make a living doing it this way. But once you're done, you get a perfect rivet. And then just back this out. Peace.